Hi, my name is Per, and in this video you'll learn how to get the path to the file called htpasswd. Because when I made my previous video about how to password protect your files and directories via the ht-access method, then I had a few questions like, okay, one.com can do this automatically, but what if you don't know the path to the actual file? What should you then do? Now, in the video you saw that I had a path a little bit like what you see here below. And if you want to know where a file is, then you could do something along these lines. You will have to create a PHP file in your editor. You do it in exactly the same way as you would do when you create an HTML file. But the last name of the file should be .php. So if you call this file path.php, it will be able to process PHP code. And then you can mix PHP and HTML as you see it here. The PHP is from line 7, where you see a less than sign and a question mark and PHP, and it should be in one. And then we have the thing that does the magic. It will say echo. Echo is if you want to print something on the screen, then you use echo, and then you'll use a built-in PHP function called dearname. And if you write 2 underscores and file in capital letters and 2 underscores and then enter parentheses, then you'll actually get the path to the directory where you work. And then we also want to have the name of the file, and we just add that by a dot. This will glue the parts of this string together, and then it will end in htpasswd. And actually the result will be something along these lines. It's actually the last part that you see here below me. It's actually taken from the output of my file called path.php on my web server. So now you know how to get the path, and then you should be able to set up your ht-access and ht-passwd. Good luck with the work.